Hello everyone, today we got plywood and we will crush it. Let's start. It was amazing. And now we will try to put some more pieces of plywood. And now we got 7 pieces of plywood and we will see what happened. Let's start. As you see, our plywood is disappeared. I want to tell you the truth, guys. It's not the press, it's magician. And now let's see what left from our plywood. Let's take a closer look. As you see, guys, not much left from our plywood. We can't find any bigger pieces. And let's take a closer look at the bottom of the press. As you see, guys, this is everything that left. Check our videos with this press. Check our Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.